Today we're going to be showing you the best way to do poor man's bird ends. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here you have it. We have about 2.5 pounds of chuck roast. This is chuck roast. This is what you use for poor man bird ends. So the way I'm going to do it is, and I learned this a while ago and I've been doing this way. I think it's the best way to cook it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut them in cubes right now. So give a nice cut. Alright, we're doing about 1 inch pretty much, so let's kind of eyeball it. Alright, so we have it. We took some of the fat off. Now we're going to put these in here. Add some mustard as a binder. Get it all over. Now we're going to use our Killer Hogs Texas brisket rub. So we'll just go ahead and add a nice coat of this. So it looks like we have it all nice and coated. Look at those. Nice piece. Now we're going to transfer it in one of these. Alright, so how are we going to cook this? We're going to put our pit boss to 250 degrees. We're pretty much going at about an internal temp of 165 internal. So probably the big piece, this one or this one's where we're going to temp. Once we see that they hit about a 165 internal, we're going to bring it out and go to our step number 2. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is at 250 degrees. 250 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and put this bad boy in here on the corner, and we'll be back. All right, it's been 2 hours. Go. All right, so here we have it. We have this, like I said, it's been there for 2 hours. Internal temp about 165. As long as you smoke these for at least 2 hours, that's good enough. So 2 hours is perfect. Now we're going to add these in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add, I put this aside for my wife without any sauce. She wants 1 piece. So we're going to go ahead and add some brown sugar. We're going to add some of the barbecue sauce from Killer Hogs. We'll mix them all in there. If you put enough sauce, have a nice coat on it. And we're going to add some of these barbecue rub. From this Killer Hogs, we're going to add some of that. Now we're going to wrap this in foil. So now we're going to leave it there for about an hour and a half. Internal temp about 205. And the grill is still going to be at 250. So let's put this back in there. All right, we're putting these back in here. We'll be back. All right, it's been an hour and 30 minutes. Let's open this up. Now we're going to take the foil wrap off. Give it a little mix in here. We're going to add a little bit more barbecue sauce. Now we're going to leave it like this so we get that sauce to tighten up. Back in 30 minutes. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. Look at these bad boys. That looks good. Looks like the sauce a little bit tighten up a little bit. Let's get it out. Alright, so here you have it. Before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright, so these look so good. They smell really good. Remember these rubs and sauce, there'll be a link in the description for you guys to check anything that Killer Hogs has on their website. You guys will not be disappointed. They have great stuff. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Oh, look at this. That Texas brisket rub, so good. Little golden nuggets. Wow. These are amazing. You guys should definitely try them. I like these little tiny ones. This is one of the best barbecue sauce. Hands down. You get everything you need on the site, on the Killer Hogs site website. You get everything, all in one place. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.